Alright, this is Steven reporting. Guess who's getting a cat bath? Guess what? You're getting a bath. You stink. You need a bath. I don't care. No, you can cry and complain and death in the face, but guess what? You're getting a bath. You're dirty. I don't care. I don't care. You're alright. Meow! 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 Aw, you poor big baby. What is wrong with you? You act like you're being abused. Poor baby. Big baby. You gotta have a bath. You're dirty. You are just a dirty kitty. And dirty kitties gotta get a bath. I don't care. You're not hurting. I'm not hurting you. You're fine. You're alright, baby. You're fine. You're alright. You're okay. Big cats deserve it. You got a big audience just looking at you and saying, what a chicken kitty, afraid of the water. Afraid of the pure water. Poor chicken kitty. Chicken kitty. We're going to start calling her chicken kitty because she's chicken. You, what a big baby you are. What a baby. I don't, you scratch kick your fucking ass. You're fine. You're alright. Look, you're alright. You're fine. Look. Stop it. Now. Meow. You can hate me until you do it again. I'm not. Leah, point the damn camera. Look. I'm not hurting you. This is for your own good because you're dirty, and dirty kitties deserve to get all clean. I know you don't like it. Too bad. Leah, point it down further. See? Is that really that bad? Come on. You're not getting hurt. You're fine, baby. Look how dirty you are. God. Look at all that dirt. Man, you are just something else. You pointed at it right at it. Dang it, Leah. Do it right. See, you want out so bad, but you're not clean. God, look at all that dirt. Finally, you shut the fuck up. God. No, hush. You are not bad. You're fine.
You're not being hurt.
You're not being abused. You shut the fuck up. Stop it. All the things I gotta go through. The dog don't give me this much shit. You know that? The dog don't give me this kind of trouble. Point it right at it. Look at that. Dirty kitty, and you're complaining. What a big baby you are. What a big baby you are. Oh, no, you're not. I don't care. You're all right. You're fine. You just don't like getting a bath. That's all. I'm not drowning you. You're just dirty, and you need a bath. And you can't be like this and be a dirty kitty. I don't care. You can do without. Look, you're not being hurt, baby. You'll forgive me in about an hour. Yeah. At least the water's not running over yet. Look at that dirty kitty. That kitty just filled with filth. Look at that dirty kitty. Well, guess what? You're not that bad. Now you need to stay right there in that thing and be a good kitty and just sit right there. It's over. All you have to do is sit there. You're being a good kitty. Yes, that poor baby. You just don't like the water, that's all. But you need the water. You're dirty. Look at all that brown crap all over you. You see that? See all that brown crap? All over my poor kitty. Oh, you big baby. You just don't want it. You just don't like it. No. No. poor baby. Close the door. Just close the door. Make sure that you point that thing at her. You're just a big baby. Look at that. Big baby. All over again. Big old baby. Meow, meow, meow. I know you don't like it. The water's going to be gone soon, and you're not hurting. And you're not. We're just getting all this soap out. Look at all that.
Man, damn it.
Damn cat. You're not getting hurt. I don't understand. I don't care. Oh, poor baby. You're just a poor little chicken-hearted kitty afraid of the water. Wow. Look at that. You're just a chicken kitty. You know what I'm doing is good for your own good. You know that, right? Now she's shedding water.
What?
Now, the water's almost gone. Yes. You're a good teddy witty. We love you, kitty. Now, look. Has it hurting you any? Huh? Look at all your fans out there. Huh? Look at all your fans out there. They're looking at you like, God, what a chicken. Okay. Anyway, you're done. I'm gonna get you a towel right now. Looks like I got a bath too. From the fun of it. Look at that. Dirty kitty ain't dirty no more. You see, kitty not dirty no more. Now you need to take this. Okay. Well, anyway, this is Steven here, and Gypsy just got a bath. Y'all have a good day. Bye.